Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and delicious recipe. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make the most delicious honey garlic pork chops. It's juicy, takes only about 30 minutes. Before I begin, if you're new here, please take a quick moment to subscribe. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and let's dive in. We're going to start with 4 thinly sliced pork chops. I am going to pat them dry. We want a nice sear on the pork chop. These are very thin, so they're not going to take too long to cook. Once you're done patting them dry, you're going to drizzle a little bit of oil over them, just like this. Rub that in. Flip them over, drizzle a little bit more oil, and now you're going to rub the oil in. And now I'm going to get ready to season. I'll have everything down below for you. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Italian seasoning, ground black pepper, and a little bit of seasoned salt. So I'm going to sprinkle the seasoning, generously sprinkle it over the pork chops. And also I'm going to rub that in. I'm excited to cook pork chops. It's been a long time actually. And I remember you guys used to love my easy pork chops recipes. That is why I bring this video to you all. I like to rub it in all over. Don't forget the sides, okay? Now that you have your pork chops nice and seasoned, it's time to pan sear them. To a medium-high heat skillet, I'm going to drizzle some olive oil. Now I'm going to add in my pork chops. Now these are thinly sliced. So I'm going to cook them for about 3 minutes per side. It smells really good already. So allow that to cook for 3 minutes, then we'll flip it over. Now it's time to flip the pork chops over. Ooh, that looks good. That looks really, really good. Oh, smells amazing too. Absolutely amazing. Ooh. We're gonna let it go for another 2 to 3 minutes, then we'll remove it. Perfect. It's time to remove the pork chops, and they are looking absolutely delicious. As you can see, I'm going to set them aside for now so I can work on that delicious garlic butter sauce. Oh, let me show you guys. Beautiful. Okay. So now we're going to make the honey garlic sauce. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. Also, I have about 1 tablespoon minced garlic. Going to add that in. You can use fresh garlic if you have some. I'm going to allow that to fry for about 30 seconds or until fragrance. Ooh, yes. And then you're going in with some honey. This is about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons, okay? Pour that in. It's gonna be nice, sweet, and delicious. Also, I have about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce going in. Also, to balance the sweetness, I have about maybe half a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, okay? Give it a nice stir. Perfect. Now I'm going to add some parsley. I'm going to add in the pork chops back in the pot or the skillet. Ooh, that looks absolutely delicious. Ooh. And now all you gotta do, ooh, that smells amazing. All you gotta do now, turn down your heat and just baste your pork chops with that delicious honey garlic sauce. Ooh, that looks so good. You can eat this with broccoli, rice, you know, even mashed potatoes. Perfect. And it's pretty much done. All right, guys, it's time for the taste test, and I have my knife and fork ready. Let's do it. Ooh, it is juicy. I don't know if you can see it. It is juicy. Okay, we love a juicy pork chops. Okay, let's give it a try. Ooh, oh yes, perfectly cooked. That's what I'm talking about. Cheers, y'all. Wow. So delicious. Absolutely juicy. One more bite. This is really good. I'm sorry. Tender, flavorful, juicy. The little kick you get from the apple cider is just so delicious together. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoy it and actually give this recipe a try. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 recipe. Quick, easy. If you do a lot of meal prep, I think this will be perfect for you. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up for me if it was helpful, and subscribe if you're new here. Of course, I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.